The core principle is creating assets that generate passive income. Think of it like planting a money tree that bears fruit even while you're asleep. It's about building a system designed to work for you, constantly. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or complex trading flows. Ever dreamt of waking up to more money than when you went to bed? Imagine income flowing in, hour after hour, completely automatically. Well, what if I told you there's a simple trick that unlocks this exact reality? Sounds impossible, right? But once established, it operates 24/7, globally. It's literally making money while you sleep, travel, or relax. This system requires initial effort to build the asset and traffic. You could be sleeping soundly while commissions hit your account. Now, here's the trick. Create evergreen content around those recommendations. Upload a video or write an article once, promoting those products. They watch it, click your link, and make a purchase, anytime, anywhere. People discover your content days, weeks, or even years later. Smash the like button and subscribe for more wealth building secrets. Ready to plant your own money tree? You recommend products you genuinely believe in to an audience, earning a commission when they buy using your unique link. The simplest way to start is often through affiliate marketing.